Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by saving immediately. That gives you a safe return point. Next, identify a guaranteed way to end the mission fast: a vehicle explosion, heavy gunfire, or fall from height. Once done, make sure to position yourself where failure will trigger the mission loss, not a soft reset. You want a decisive event that flips the mission state. Do this now so you can cancel without permanently losing progress, and so you can reload cleanly after the abort. Now execute the chosen fail method. Set explosives on your vehicle, jump off a high building, or attract heavy police fire until you die. Once you commit, make sure the event causes mission failure rather than a temporary setback. For example, a blown-up mission vehicle usually counts. If the mission has checkpoints that auto-resume you, move out of them first so the fail registers. This is the detailed execution. Force a mission fail condition so the game cancels the current objective. After the fail triggers, immediately load the save you created to restore your pre-mission state. That completes the cancellation. If the mission still appears active, quit to the main menu and reload the save, or restart the game entirely and then load. This forces the mission state to reset. If problems persist, try a different fail method, e.g., vehicle explosion versus death, because some missions auto-resume from certain failures. That troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn mission states quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.